Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate fitness streaming service, quick setup step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your device is connected to a stable internet network. Locate the App Store on your device. Search for the fitness streaming service application by name. Tap the download or install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, open the app from your device's home screen. If you're a new user, select the option to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. Follow any on-screen prompts to verify your email address if required. After logging in, you may be prompted to select a subscription plan. Choose the plan that best fits your fitness goals and budget. Enter your payment information as requested. Review the terms and conditions before confirming your subscription. Once your payment is processed, you'll gain access to the content. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with available classes and features. You can now select and start your first fitness class. Adjust your profile settings for personalized recommendations. Enjoy your workouts and make the most of your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.